Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to resize an image in Google Docs so it fits properly within your document. Adjusting image size helps improve layout, readability, and overall presentation. On the Google Docs dashboard, we insert an image using the option in the upper left. From there, we choose to upload an image from our computer. We then locate the image we want to add. In this case, we are using a logo, and we will add it to our document. Once the image appears, we click on it to select it. We can then drag a corner to make it smaller or larger. We can also stretch it from the sides, or use any corner to adjust the size to fit our needs. And that's how we resize an image in Google Docs in just a few simple steps. With properly sized images, our documents will look cleaner and more professional.